What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up a box of Teamcoach 2025 cards. Now, I've been sitting on this box since release day, so I'm excited to get into it. I am going to break this up into 3 parts. So we'll do 12 packs today and then there'll be following parts, all from the same box though. So we'll be able to track our box hits and any case hits if we get them. So let's crack in. Excited. I haven't opened too many. I've been posting a few on TikTok that I pick up kind of, servos or anything like that. And we've had, some decent hits. Check out that. Let me know what your best pull is so far this year, and if there's any cards you're chasing. There's always some good cards in these, so let's count 12 packs out. What do we want to do? Do we want to do left side, right side, or selection? We'll go with selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go those 6. Perfect. Alright, we'll leave the box to the side. And let's crack in. First pack. Now, okay, so looks like this one's the right way around. I'm having a lot of packs that are, the silvers are kind of back to front and makes it hard to open. But anyway, Sam Draper, Josh Dunkley, LDU, Star Powers, awesome. Law, Scanlon. Oh no. Bradley Hill, Josh Dacos, Clayton Oliver. Awesome. Let's put a pile for Scanlons. Kind of do hits like that. Bases can go over here. Alright, we're set up. Alright, next pack. Newman, Zach Butters, Elliot Yo, Forecast, Riley O'Brien, and Noah Bolter. Hopefully he hasn't got curfew tonight. Alright, probably blast through the bases. I am still chasing a bunch of those to kind of fix the binder up. I'm looking to complete both, silver and bases this year. So once I finish this box, I'll see where I'm at, and then we'll start doing trades and stuff if you're into that. Norton, DeMassimo, Isaac Heaney, Justin Carcraft. Cool. I'd love to complete this one. This is the one I'm probably chasing the most. Tim English. Nick Blakey. Wow, they look good. Damn. The Scanlons for the Swannies do look really good this year. And blast through the commons. Let me know if you do want to see a binder update. Yeah, just a binder update at any point, and I can do that for sure. Alright, next pack. Tim Kelly, Callum Wilkie. Ooh, this is my first one of the AR footy flexes. Heaney. I don't know how I feel about this this concept, but it's cool that they're innovating. Elliot Yo. Back to back Elliot Yo's. Right, next pack. Jared Witts, Bailey Fritsch, Simkim in this blue. The blue card. I actually don't know what they call this one. What do they call it? They call it just blue. Alright, well, yeah, stating the obvious at that point. And Jack Varney. to our 5th pack, 6th pack. Pendles, Debbie Green, Sam Collins in the blue, Jack Chris, and Jordan Dawson. And the bases, Jack Higgins, Jordan DeGoey, Mitchell Hinge, and Nick Watson, the Wiz. Loving Teamcoach this year. I think that some of the cards are awesome. Hopefully I can get some of those team star powers, the one a box cards. Charlie Cameron, English again. Oh, Isaac Rankin Neon. Wow, look at that. As I was saying it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That is awesome. Inspect that in a second. Whoa. Yeah, I'm shocked. Don't even know what to say. It's my first time getting a neon. Wow. Neon. Wow, case hit. 1 in 432 packs. Isaac Rankin for the Adelaide Crows. Wow. What they have at the back. Awesome. Next pack. Hopefully we can get back to back cases. That would be nice. Jack Steele, Joel Amati, Jack Higgins. Is that regular? Yeah, regular star powers. LDU again. Adam Chera. I'll always skip over the bases. They're a touch boring. Well, if I complete the set, I'll definitely highlight that. Next pack. Alex Pierce, John Newcomb, and Jeremy Cameron Majestic. Garcroft. I'd love to finish a few of those these years. And Brandon Maynard. I've got a lot of bases and silvers to go, so once I get a bit closer to that, I'll start actually paying attention to those. Always comes down to the hunt of the last few, unless you trade. Full Day, Riley O'Brien, and Footy Flicks, Paddy Cripps, Neil, and Stephen Canelio, JDF's captain. Second to last pack. I can blitz through these, but it's all the fun. We've got more to go for sure. James Sicily, Nick Larkey, Nate Caddy in the blue. And Josh Petrarca. I'd love to get a retro Petrarca. One of my favorite players for sure. That doesn't play for the Swans. Last pack for this video. Again, remember to check out my following uploads when we go through the rest of this box. Tim Canelio and Silver, Jen Short, Will Ashcroft Star Power, Terry Goulden, Fantasy Forecast, and Luke Ryan, Retro Scanlan. Steel. Brilliant. Well, we will take getting Isaac Rankin Neon Star Power. Look at that. That's awesome. Alright, well, thanks for tuning into this video. Be sure to check out the following uploads of this box break coming in the following days. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm posting a lot of content on my TikTok, so be sure to check that one out. Awesome. Thanks, guys.